Hi everyone, hope everybody is having a great weekend. So many of you have let me know of this new series, and thank you because it is extremely adorable. Look at all of these cute little items that we can possibly get in this collection. We have birthday cakes, we have cupcakes, piñatas. It has a little bit of it all. Here is the Make It Mini Birthday Edition. This is Series 1. Let's go ahead and dive in and see what it's all about. I really wanted to be able to review these for you and share them with you as well. So I did go ahead and constantly monitor the Walmart app, just waiting for them to show in stock so that I could go ahead and try and grab some. I was very pleasantly surprised in stores at the Walmart Supercenter. Most of them had either a display in the aisle leading to the toy section, or they had them in the actual LOL surprise area. Some Walmarts also had them, but in a different section now where all they have is blind bags and capsules. But the good thing is that all of the Walmarts that I went to had multiple boxes of these. So not just one, not just two, at least three. And they not only had the birthday, but they also had Lord of the Rings, they had Harry Potter, they had the lifestyle. So these are definitely starting to show up in stores now. So visit your local Walmart and hopefully you're as lucky as we were to be able to grab these. I was able to grab the whole case. I will go ahead and review some, and of course, in our next giveaway, share some with you. So stay tuned for that. Let me go ahead and just show you a little bit of what you're able to find in this collection. So it seems to be three separate themes. We have the dinosaur theme, we have the tropical theme with watermelon, pineapple, and I think this is going to be my favorite. I'm going to call it rainbow theme because there is a rainbow piñata, but this is everything we can possibly get. Let's take a look in our first bag and let's see what we get. Of everything in this collection, I'm curious to know which one is your number one pick. If you would be able to choose, which one would you get? Let me know in the comments. For the first item, we have some juice. This is the tropical juice. We've already seen this container in the past, but we know the formula is new for the resin, so I'm very curious to see how it cures, if we're gonna have any issues, but we'll go ahead and worry about that when we get there. For now, let's take a look at everything else. We have two little glasses here. They are adorable and pink. Super, super cute. We have here the mini post. I like how they were wrapped in this little newspaper because we have a new newspaper and it's not another bag, so that's a plus, right? We have here the Sunny Day Party Company, which handles all of your party themes. Surprise T-Rex Takeover, some dino facts. What else does it say? 100% rainbows and sunshine. Very, very cute. Love the color. Let's take a look at our next little bag and see what we get. We have some new colored straws. These are a very nice, vibrant yellow. And these are the thin ones. I know we had yellow, but for the boba ones in the past. Here is the cutest little coasters I've seen in my life. There are a two-piece coaster set and they are in form of a leaf, which goes with the tropical theme very, very well. We have a new table design. This one is going to tie in to that same theme. It's a nice, vibrant, see-through pink and a yellow little stand for the tabletop. For the veggies or fruits in this case, we have some pineapple, we have some raspberries, and seems like they're really trying to maybe use less bags and wrap these in little paper, which I think is a plus. I went ahead and added all of the recipes in this little binder, and I think it turned out great. I got these at Temu and they are just perfect for little recipes. So let's look for the one for the smoothies or the juice. Here it is. Isn't this adorable? We will be making the tropical drinks. So it just says add in the resin, the ice, cure it once, and then add the rest of the ingredients and give it a second cure. Let's go ahead and get started. I can't wait to build these. So let's go ahead and build our tropical drinks. Our tropical drinks are all done and taken care of. So let's go ahead and put them in our little display capsule. And I do have to say, for the resin, it cured just fine. I used my same light, had no issues. Let's go ahead and open capsule number 2 and see what we get. I have been on the hunt for the new Miniverse UV light, but I have not seen it. If anybody has seen where they're selling it, if you can kindly let me know, I would greatly appreciate it. I need to grab one just because I've heard some people have had problems with curing the new formulas, and I think I'm gonna need it. But let's see what's in here. What is this? No way. Aren't these the cutest little paper plates? Maybe the smallest that I've ever seen in my life. Too cute. Let's see what we have in our utensil little bag. So it does come with the tongs. I do recommend that you use these. I try my best to either use these or maybe bigger ones that I can have nearby. I always try to use the resin tools. I am very careful with it not touching my skin. That's why I don't wear gloves, simply because I've tried to use other tools to help me prevent that from happening. But please be careful when using resin. Here we have some sprinkles. This is a new color to us. I think there was a mix of these in the Halloween previously, but now we have just a complete little container of black sprinkles. We have some pink resin. What else do we have? We have a little stand. Oh, this is so cute. I love how they really brought back maybe some of the old designs but in different color. I think that's a plus for me. And we don't have as many bags. We have them just wrapped in paper, but we can always use the paper for other crafting projects, so that's good. We try to reuse everything that we can, even the little containers, so anything that is reusable is always a plus. We have some cupcakes. Let's take a look at the recipe. So we already did this one. Not the piñata, sadly, not the donuts, but we have the cupcakes. These are called watermelon cupcakes. That's the name of the recipe. Let's go ahead and build this. Join me and let's have some fun. While these cure for a second time, I do want to show you the different designs of paper plates that we can get. So one of the design is going to be an orange. The second design is the watermelon. And these, I think it's pineapple, but I'm not 100% sure. But they are very, very well designed. I definitely recommend this series so far. Let's continue to build our cupcakes and see how they turn out. Our cupcakes are done. I set them up a little bit in a table just to give you an idea of maybe how you could decorate your party table for maybe your dolls, and I think it looks adorable. I did switch out my counter to this one simply because this one's a little bit wider and I thought it would hold up the items the best to display. But now that I gave you an idea of how that would look together, how about we open a third capsule? And I just noticed that both of the items that we got were from the tropical theme. Maybe this third one will be too. Who knows? Let's see what we get. The two other tropical recipes that we're missing would be the donuts and the watermelon piñata. Let's take a look at this utensil bag and see what it has inside. So right away we have these straws, which means that we have a different theme this time around. Let's see what else we have. For the resin, we have the strawberry milkshake. This milkshake container reminded me of the very first Miniverse series. Who knew it would evolve to what it is today, right? Maybe we did know because we loved it. For the tabletop, it is also a pink tabletop, but this one is a light pink with a lot of glitter. It's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Even the wrappers are beautiful. We have here some sun-baked sweets, little heart-shaped cookies. In the next one, what could this... Oh no, these are perfect. These are some little sprinkles in the shape of little tiny balls. These remind me of actual sprinkles that I used to make some baby shower cake pops one time. Here we have some whipped cream. This one looks just like the rest of the containers. I think it's the same one. And stop it, Miniverse. These are gorgeous. Look at this shine. They're almost like an iridescent tone or color to them. They are absolutely gorgeous. I think these are my favorite glasswares that they've ever made, or drinkware, forgive me, from Miniverse. We're going to be making so in Spanish we see the name, but what is it in English? The rainbow shakes. And in Spanish, batidos arcoiris. Nice. Let's go ahead and build this recipe and see how we feel about it. I already added some resin to the sugar cookie, and I'm noticing that you can't really tell the difference between the resin and the cookie, so I'm going to grab some of this pink mica powder, just a tiny bit. And this is all the resin that I'm going to be using. It's a very small amount, and it's only to give it a pop of color so that we're able to see that it has that what should be like frosting, right? So let's go ahead and just add this one little layer, and look at that. You can already see the difference. Let me show you what it looks like once it's cured. I'm going to have to add just a tiny bit more to be able to add these sprinkles, but I think it's going to look better this way. Let's go ahead and add in the sprinkles, which are adorable. I always like to add them to a separate container just because I'm super clumsy, and I know if I pour them out of the little container, I may just make a huge mess. Let's get these cured and finish up our milkshake. I do want to share just something that I noticed while building this is that you do have to use all of the ice and all of the resin. You will need absolutely every drop of that resin to make sure that you're able to fill it up almost all the way to the top so that your decorations don't sink. This is what it looks like. This is how they turned out. I think they are adorable. I love these. I love every single item that we built today, but let me know which one is your favorite. Did you like maybe the cupcakes, the drink, or the milkshake? Let me know in the comments down below. I appreciate every single one of you. I love you guys. Bye.